Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Once again, I'm here with the second part of fourth chapter, linear equation in two variables of class 9th. So let's find out what all topics we will cover in this video. So we will start with graphical representation followed by examples based on this method, then equations of lines parallel to axes, and at last we will be having pop quiz like always. Let's have a recap what all topics I have covered in my first video of this chapter. So there we are having recall of linear equation in one variable, then introduction of linear equations in two variables, uses in daily life, and solution of linear equation. In case if you have missed this video, please refer the link from the description box. So let's get started with the methods of solving linear equations. So we are having two methods for solving any linear equation in two variables. First method is algebraic method. In my first video, I have already explained you for any linear equation in two variables, we can have infinitely many solutions. Next method is graphical method, which we will discuss in this video. And graphical method always gives us a straight line related with any linear equation in two variables. So let's start with the example. Here we are having a question: if the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equals to ax plus 7, find the value of a. Here we have to find out the value of this term a involved in this equation. So we are having equation 3y is equals to ax plus 7, and the point given in the question is 3, 4. So this point will always satisfy the given equation because it is lying on the given line. So 3, 4 will satisfy the given equation. Means what we need to do, we just need to replace x by 3 and y by 4 in the equation. So after replacing, we are having equation like this. So 3 into 4 will give us 12. This is 3a and this is 7. After solving this one, 3a will be 12 minus 7. So value of a we can have 5 upon 3. So this is the solution of this question. Let's have another example. So the question is represent graphically 3x minus y is equals to 2. So we are having question 3x minus y is equals to 2. As we have to represent this equation graphically, so first we need to write it in the form of y is equals to ax. So y is equals to 3x minus 2. Now we will put different values to x and we will get corresponding values of y. So first value we are going to put for x equals to 0. So for x equals to 0, this term will become 0. Value of y we will be having minus 2. So this is one pair of solution for given equation. Just like this, we can have many more solutions. For x equals to 2, you can see we will be having y is equals to 4 with the help of this relation. For x equals to minus 1, we will be having value of y minus 5. So here you can see we calculated 3 different solutions for the given equation. Now we will plot these 3 points on the graph paper to find out its graphical representation. So this is the algebraic method to find out the solution. Now we are moving towards the graphical method. So just plot the point 0, minus 2 and 2, 4. After plotting only 2 points, you can find out after joining these 2 points, you are having a straight line. See, this is a straight line which is representing the equation 3x minus y is equals to 2. And each and every point on this straight line is a solution of this equation, which we can find out algebraically, right? So always we can have infinitely many solutions for any linear equation in two variables. Let's have another example. The question is 10 students of class 9 took part in a music competition. If number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the graphical solution of both the linear equations. This question I have already explained you with the help of algebraic method in my first video. Now in this part, again, I have taken same question to solve it with the help of graphical method so that you can relate both the methods very easily and concept will be crystal clear in your mind. So first we need to frame here equations. Let the number of girls be X and the number of boys be Y. Then according to question, as they are saying, only 10 students are there in class 10 who are participating in the competition, and girls and boys are there. So X plus Y will be equals to 10. This is our first equation. Then they are saying if number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So number of girls we are having X and boys are 4. So in order to maintain the equality in these two numbers, we need to add 4 to Y. So we will be having X equals to Y plus 4 according to the question. And after managing this equation, we are having second equation in terms of X and Y. X minus Y is equals to 4. Now we will plot these two lines on the graph paper. So graphical representation we have to do for first line X plus Y is equals to 10, and for second line X minus Y is equals to 4. So for first line X plus Y is equals to 10, after rewriting it in terms of Y is equals to 10 minus X. When we will put X equals to 0, we will be having Y is equals to 10. This is the one pair of solution for this equation. Just like this, we will make a table to find out different solutions. For X equals to 5, easily you can see here Y will be 5. For X equals to 10, Y will be 0. So here we are having three different solutions for this equation. Now we will make just same table for the second equation. Second equation we are having X minus Y is equals to 4. So minus Y is equals to 4 minus X, that is Y is equals to X minus 4. Now we will put here values for X. X equal to 0 will give us Y is equals to minus 4. Now we will make a table. So first solution is 0 minus 4, and for X equals to 4 we will be having Y is equals to 0, and for X equals to 2 we will be having Y is equals to minus 2. Now we will plot these different points related with these two lines on the graph paper. So first we are going for first line 0 10, first point, then the point is 5 5, third point is 10 0, and after joining these 3 points we are having here a straight line. So always for a linear equation in two variables, its graphical representation will give you a straight line. Now for the second line we will plot 0 minus 4, then 4 0 and 2 minus 2. After joining these 3 points, you can see again we are having a straight line, and easily you can find out their point of intersection. Here 7 and 3, it is showing that it is intersecting at 7 and 3. So point of intersection is 7 and 3. So what you got here, that always for any kind of linear equation in two variables, you will be having straight lines and infinitely many solutions. Now equations of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. So equations of x-axis, we will be having y is equals to 0, because on x-axis we can have only x coordinate. Y coordinate always remains there 0. Just like this, for y-axis we will be having x equals to 0, because on the y-axis only y coordinates we are having and x coordinates are 0 there. Let's have an equation x minus 4 is equals to 0. So we can write it like x equals to 4. When we are writing it like x equals to 4, it is indicating that this is a point on the number line. X equal to 4 will be a point on x-axis, right? This is a point on the number line. But if we write it in the form of ax plus by plus c, means in terms of two variables, then it will represent something else. See, x plus 0 into y minus 4 is equals to 0. I have written it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, which always represents a linear equation in two variables having infinitely many solutions. So these are the different ways of writing any equation. If you are writing like this, it is indicating something else, and if you are writing it like this, then it is indicating something else. So you have to differentiate these differences after about writing of equations. Now, graph of any equation like x equals to a will always be a straight line parallel to y-axis. Here you can see I have shown you a straight line x equals to 3. This is of the form x equal to a. So x equal to 3, a line which is parallel to y-axis. Just like this, when we are having any equation like y is equals to a will always be a straight line parallel to x-axis. See, y is equals to 2. This is a straight line which is parallel to x-axis. So any line parallel to x-axis will always be of the form y is equals to a, and any line parallel to y-axis will always be of the form x equals to a. Now get ready for the pop quiz. So first question is, find the value of x plus y if 3x minus 2y is equals to 5 and 3y minus 2x is equals to 3. Here you are having two equations and you have to solve these equations. So answer is 8. You can easily find out the value of x plus y just by adding these two equations. When you will add, directly you will find out x plus y is equals to 8, right? Let's have another question. Find two numbers whose sum is 75 and difference is 15. In this question, you have to frame the equations and then you have to solve the equations. So I'm going to tell you the answer. Answer is 45 and 30. Let's have another question. The father's age is 6 times his son's age. After 4 years, the age of the father will be 4 times his son's age. The present ages of the son and father are what? You have to find out. Just make two different equations related with this question, then solve that equations. So answer will be 6 and 36. Our last question is, infinitely many solutions belongs to which system? Yes. So answer is consistent system. So that's all for this video. Thanks for connecting with me. See you soon in the next chapter. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.